What is different about the government's approach this time round? A lot of what is being said now has been promised by your government in the past. Can you explain to everyone watching, sir, how you hope to achieve the idea of a self-reliant India?
Thank you, Rahul. At the outset, I'd like to pay my condolences to all those who lost their lives in the Amphan cyclone, in the COVID pandemic. And I'm sure all the others will recover quickly and come back to normalcy at the earliest. India, over the last 6 years, has been on a fast paced journey to reinvent itself and take the fruits of development to every citizen of this country. In fact, in the last 6 years, if one was to map each of the projects that Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi has initiated and successfully taken to the last man at the bottom of the pyramid, you will realize the importance of those steps in our fight against COVID. Be it a simple thing like opening a bank account, the Jan Dhan account, or the fast spread of Aadhaar cards so that almost every Indian has an identity under Aadhaar, with most people also having a mobile. The JAM Trinity, Jan Dhan, Aadhaar and mobile, helped us create the direct benefit transfer, which helped us reach out to the people in need in this hour of crisis. Our own effort to ensure that Digital India spreads to the nook and corner of the country is paying us rich dividends today, when the country was under a lockdown but was connected through internet and television. The effort to ensure that electricity reaches every home, a massive transmission network rollout, electricity given free of charge to the poor at their home, the connection at their homes, in the farms, has helped us tide over this difficult period where nobody was struggling for basic amenities. Countries are recognizing that we have to create self-reliance, we have to create an empowered set of people where we are, in times of emergency, self-sufficient. And you will observe that India's strength over the last many years has shown that we can be a self-sufficient, self-reliant economy, self-reliant country. But when we talk of Atmanirbhar Bharat, we talk of a better quality of life for our people. We talk of businesses and our economy prospering while engaging with the rest of the world. So it's not an inclusive thought. It's not just that we are going to get into our own shell and not engage with the rest of the world. The idea behind Atmanirbhar Bharat is recognize your strengths, exploit them to the maximum, do what you can do best within the country, engage with like-minded countries, democratic, where there's a rule of law, where there's a prevalent free trade which is honest and transparent with each other, engage with them and find your comparative and competitive advantages in areas where you can literally lead to global dominance in your country, thereby providing jobs, providing economic opportunities